Hi friend. In continuation to our earlier video, let's proceed further understanding few more financial functions. So I've taken up this particular example. You can just go through while pausing the video. I want to find out what could be the maturity value given this criteria. So in that case, I can use a function called FV, that is the future value, where I'll be selecting this rate divided by 12. For how many years? So I'm going to convert this into month into 12. What is the regular payment what you're going to make a monthly contribution? Like if you remember in the first video, we need to mention the outflow with the negative. So I'm investing another 50,000 in addition to the monthly contribution. Let's leave the type default, that is at the end of the month interest calculations. So it's going to fetch you around 10 lakh. Same way, you want to find out what could be the interest rate. So for that, I'm going to use a function called rate. Again, the period of 6 years for 12 months. In addition to that, a monthly contribution of 10,000. So my outflow negative. Initial investment of 50,000 additionally. So let's say I want to reach a target value of 10 lakh. As you remember, this is monthly interest. So we need to convert into per annum basis. So it's going to work out 8% per annum. So I'm going to upload this file. You can just probably modify this to understand the financial functions. Moving ahead, we have one more function. You want to find out for how many months or years it might take to reach a particular target value. So in that case, you can use a function called NPER. So rate is going to be the same by 12, payment monthly 10,000. There is an initial investment of 50,000, and of course I'm planning for a target of 10 lakh. I want to find out how many months it's going to take. 71 months, so I'm going to divide it by 12. It works out to some 6 years to reach this particular target. Now moving ahead, present value, the final financial function for this video. So wherein I want to find out how much initial investment might require to reach these particular targets. So PV, rate 8% by 12. Then you have period 6 into 12. Then you have of course monthly contribution of 10,000 minus outflow, and future value, obviously it is going to be inflow for us, so that will be a positive value. Now it says if I can invest around 49,424, in addition to this I can reach a target of 10 lakh. That's 2 minutes for you guys. Thank you.